Now let's look at different credit scores. First, there's a FICO score. This is a score developed by Fire Asset Company, who develops the first generation of credit score. Then there's a new versions for different industries. Next, we have a Vantage score. This is a score developed by the three major credit bureaus. They are not using the Fire Asset scorecard. They have their own scorecard running against the credit bureau files. So that's the Vantage score. Another major credit score these days. Application score. This is usually designed for an individual lender. The reasoning is that each lender has its own clientele. So when you have a custom scorecard like application score, you can better evaluate the risk compared with FICO or Vantage. Actually, application score is often used in conjunction with FICO or Vantage at origination. Behavior score. This is for revolving credit, such as a credit card or life credit. Once you have an account open, you need to monitor the behaviors of accounts regularly. Then you can adjust the credit line up and down. For example, what goes into the scorecard are the consumers' behaviors with the particular lender. Collection score. This is for delinquent accounts. For delinquent accounts, a lender needs to decide when to collect, which ones to collect, what tactic to use to collect. Collection score can help lenders make that decision. There are also collection score for early stage delinquent accounts, for late stage delinquent accounts. There's industry scores, customer scores. Okay, bankruptcy score. This is a score to predict specifically which consumers will become bankrupt in the next 12 months or 24 months. Because bankruptcy is a major charge-off category, could be as much as 15 to 20%, depending on your portfolio. So it's worth a special credit score. Last but not least, the fraud score. For application or existing account, there are different scores to identify suspicious behaviors, to alert the lenders so they can block the account or just kill the account, having someone to reach out to the customer to confirm the transactions. These are the typical credit scores used by lenders. For each score, there are industry scores, right? For credit card or auto loan or mortgage. Also, they could be customized for each lender. So this concludes the section for credit bureau and the credit score.